Mercedes ML w164 wheels. Temperature is not working. You turn and it's not moving. To fix that, you must, I have taken out those from here, from inside. Here is some clips. After I unscrew this plate, 4 screws. After I desoldered those 3 pins here, take it out, and after here is those switches, which is switching. So this switch I have disassembled. With like this, I have scratched it, everything nicely, gently. Same a little bit in this contact, this one, here and here, both. So now I'm gonna put back everything. Or if you have new button, you have resolder and change. It's more better, but in my case I don't have, so I cleaned inside here, inside this button, and clean here, and now I put everything back, set everything back, put in car, and gonna check is it working. I also think maybe I solder from new those contacts here, just in case. I'm not sure it helps or not with, but I'm gonna try. Everything is in places. Those you can see this button like working like this, and other side too. So now just left solder back those, put cover, install in car, and test drive. And now I have installed. This works perfect, fantastic. And this one also working very nice. So, like this you can fix this one. If you cannot fix, send to me, I fix for you. Mercedes. See you later.